Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. We request all our viewers to subscribe our channel and also promote it. Now our topic is yes to spirituality and no to suicide. First of all, what is spirituality and who is a spiritual person? A person who knows about oneself, who knows the art of living, who knows about his or her own thoughts, how this thought pattern is functioning into oneself. That person is known to be a spiritual person. A spiritual person is the most simple person in the world. Spirituality is the answer to all the negative aspects of our own life. Now, why many people indulge in these negative thoughts of indulging in suicide? What is suicide? It is the most violent act of a human being to himself or herself. It should be avoided at all costs. As we have told earlier, life is the most precious gift of the existence. It has been given to us very freely. So, we should not dissipate our energy in negative aspects. Now, when do a particular person indulge in such a negative thoughts? Because that person does not know himself or herself. When to say yes to the thoughts and no to the thoughts. These are all very, very important. This is what meditation is. Meditation is the most simple aspect of our life. It is quite natural. A meditative mind always tries to find what the creation is. The scientists are trying to find the significance of discoveries and inventions. But a spiritual person is engaged in the ultimate adventure of life. What is the ultimate adventure of life? The ultimate adventure of life is to know oneself. If a person knows oneself, he or she will never indulge in such a suicidal thinking. Those persons know the significance of life. Life is precious, sacred, and divine. So it should be approached in that sense only. In our channel, like these psychological aspects, we will post more videos on such ideas. In the forthcoming video, we will come up with another one psychological aspect of life.